Do you know Zeroth law was last discovered? Yes, initially there were only three laws: first, second and third laws. In 18th century, scientists realized that there is a need for another law, which is like a head to all the three laws of thermodynamics, so that it must be first in the order. But there was no possibility to give first place to this law because lot of literature already published with the existing order of first, second and third laws. And at the same time, scientists did not agree to give fourth place to this law because it appears as a head, not a tail, for all the existed laws. Then one scientist, Ralph H. Fowler, came up with a third alternative that solved the dilemma. He called the new law as the Zeroth law. In late 18th century, scientists began thinking about heat as a form of energy, and it is a path function and a boundary phenomenon. And they observed that heat cannot stay in a body even for a nanosecond if it is connected to another body diathermically. And they were shocked to see heat transfer stopped after a certain time. They discovered that heat transfer is taking place when there is a difference in the quality of a new physical quantity in two bodies. And heat transfer stops when the physical quantity becomes equal in the two bodies. And the physical quantity is none other than the temperature. Yes, energy contained by the system does not decide direction of heat flow. Temperature decides. Yes, temperature decides the direction of heat flow and from which body to which body. This statement blown the minds of the people in 19th century. Zeroth law defines temperature. Temperature was miracle at the time. Scientists realized even single-celled plants and animals also respond greater to temperature. And the classical statement of Zeroth law, that is, if bodies A and B are in thermal equilibrium with body C separately, then those are also in equilibrium, makes thermometers possible. Later, with the help of this law, brilliants like Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin gave us temperature scales. With the aid of these scales, now we are able to tell which is cold and which is hot. That is the beauty of Zeroth law of thermodynamics.